Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into VeChain. The ticker is VET basically. So right now it's doing okay. I just need to apologise about the noise of some builders. Okay, so it's doing okay on the daily time frame. You are falling under the 55 at the moment. Okay, and if you do hit your head on that, this is going to force you to come down lower. Okay, so like I said to you, when you're under the EMAs here, look, you roll over and you start to hit your head. It contributes to your downtrend. Look, just there as well. So you roll over and you start to hit your head. You know, you come down lower and it forces you down until you get the break. Once you get the break above, you're above, you're above, you're above. You know, you roll over, you're below, you're below, you're below. So right now you're broken above there in a little bit of an uptrend, and right now you're coming down. So potentially, you know, unless you can see the break above the daily 55 here, which you are under the resistance, you're gonna keep coming down effectively. Now there is a kind of ABC scenario that I'm anticipating here for VeChain, okay, which is what I'm anticipating on a lot of charts, to be honest with you. So some kind of ABC correction at the moment. So A, potential B high, wherever it is, you know, come up, and you might have already formed it just there, okay, and we're looking at a C wave low potentially to this blue line, who knows, or even a double test, who knows. But like, this is what I say to you, if you lose a key level support, you've got to go short basically. And I do think that everything is bullish here for VeChain. Everything is bullish. You're coming into some kind of apex at the moment, as you did here. Look, very, very rinse repeat is unbelievable. You know, it's unbelievable. You're going to come to the apex, you're going to go right to the upside, you're going to get continuation. It's just a case of when, okay, it's just a case of when. Equally, you know, if you do start to come down like this and you fall out of this trend line now, boom, that's bad. Okay, you break up, that's good, that's bad basically. The good and the bad, well, not so bad for people that like short in the market, and not so bad for people that love long in the market, or, you know, dollar cost averaging, or just hodlers basically. This is what you want, the break here, continuation of the bull, which I do anticipate. All this is playing out like an absolute boss, okay. Honestly, it's playing out. Look, wave one high just here. I'll keep showing you, I'll keep reminding you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you later, alligator. We're up there at $1.50 and beyond, okay, in this bull run. So yeah, it's just gearing up, isn't it? It's coiling up in this massive horizontal. Now I've seen a lot of horizontals. Solana's coming to a horizontal, it's gone. Once it broke, it's gone. Harmony 1 horizontal, it's gone. BNB horizontal, gone. Lots and lots of projects. HBAR in horizontal, gone. You know, and it's just that VeChain come up so much compared to those particular projects in this massive impulsive wave. It slowed down, consolidating, pop. Do you see it later? So I am anticipating continuation here. I think VeChain could be a fantastic trade moving forward, providing we hold support and we get the continuation break here to the upside. This could be extremely, extremely good here, because even if we do come down to this blue trend line here and bounce off it as support, as you can see we did here, look, came down, overextended, blue line, boom, bounced to support, last entry point before the bull. Look at that. Look at that. If you'd have jumped in there on that appreciation from there and got looking on that trend line, you know, you were looking at a 2,225% upside, basically, a whopper, an absolute whopper. Now I'm forecasting around about $1.50. I think that's quite conservative, to be honest with you. I'm seeing a lot of different TA as well, but this is my prediction. This is my why isn't it not doing it? I'm pressing the wrong button. This is my forecast for VeChain here, and I do think, say we do come down, we have a nasty little correction in the market again, some kind of rug pull, and you get fortunate enough and it comes down to this blue trend line. Okay, look at this for a trade. When you come up and break, look at that, 1,683%, and that is possible. Okay, again, not financial advice, and nothing I say is financial advice on this channel, but again, you know, you open a trade up, set stop losses. This could be a massive, whopping, fruitful trade right here for VeChain moving forward. So yeah, that's just what I'm looking at. Okay, and until we lose support, that's what I'm looking at. Full transparency, $1.50 price tag. I could be completely wrong, you know, I could be completely wrong, obviously, and we roll here, but so far so good. Elliott wave structure's acting like a boss. It really is acting like a boss just here. You know, and I do think that this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and right now we're looking at wave 5. It really is that simple. Until it's not, until we roll over, I'll lose this blue line support. Right now, this horizontal, we fall out this horizontal, that's negative, okay, because it's something that you didn't do here. You come to the apex, pop, come to the apex, pop. So many similarities, it's untrue. I've got a cheat sheet for you. So yeah, VeChain on the hourly time frame there, if we take a look at it right now and see what it's doing. So it did fall out of this ascending triangle just here yesterday, didn't it? And I did put this in yesterday's video. Look, I said when you lose this support, you've got to go short, and you can see it's on its way down there right now. It is on its way. It's starting to pick up a little bit here. There is a bit of a reversal pattern that's forming just there, but do keep in mind that this is the actual technical target at the moment it's trying to get to. Okay, it is trying to, where's that, all the way over there? Why have I moved that all the way over there? It is trying to get to that target at the moment, okay, is VeChain. So look, let's take a look. Okay, so right now you've come down and you're still sort of coming down, hitting your head, and you're trying to get to this 10 cents, aren't you? And that was a whopping short, I think. Let's have a look at this from there to there, around about 11%. It's currently around 5.8%, and it's gone down to about 10%. So yeah, it's in a technical target. Do you understand that? So if you keep hitting your head, you're going to come down. But there is a bit of a reversal target just there for VeChain. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so you do have a little bit of a level of resistance just there, and equally another ascending triangle. Do you see this? So you've got this sort of ascending triangle, because this is what happens when you fall over. Ascending triangle, come down, ascending triangle, come down, ascending triangle, until you get to the destination. You understand that? It's level of consolidation. So yeah, you've got another ascending triangle here. So equally, if you start to break out and lose resistance, lose support, sorry, wherever it is, it's where you could come down to this technical target. But please bear in mind, if you start to break this level of resistance right now, you could be looking at a little pump up to 12 cents. So you could get a bit of a relief rally here for VeChain up to 5.22%. So if you start to see VeChain come up and break that level of resistance just there, you could see a kind of little mini pump. But again, you know, I just want to reassure you, look, you're rolling over, okay, you lost support, and right now you're coming up to test resistance to continue with the trend. Do you just understand that? Putting these lower highs, look, you're effectively rolling over in lower lows until you come down to a key level of support, get the bounce, see you later. Really, that's it. It's just chop sideways for the end game. You know, your end game here for VeChain is breaking out this blue line of resistance or falling out of this blue line of resistance. Lose support, bear market, break resistance, continuation of the bull market, which is what I do anticipate. Yeah, so that's basically VeChain. Hope you enjoyed that update. Come to your charts, draw these trend lines. You could be looking at a lovely little pump. If you break that level of resistance right there, you could be looking at a 12-cent VeChain token. But if you do start to roll, this is where you will come down to this level here, this 10 cents, which I gave you when you lost this support here at this ascending triangle. Okay, take care everyone, back soon with another update on VeChain. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.